difficult. It's very difficult to increase the temperature of a collection system. We have some methods. You can use a tube of steam and yes, you can push steam to increase the temperature. But it's not available at any time. Okay? It takes some labor to take that hose of steam and put the steam on that point of the pipeline and remove the hydrate. But yes, exactly. And in most of the cases, in cold collection systems, we have to consider the insulation. Okay. So if I'm going to use steam, I have to remove that insulation, which costs me money. I have another question, guys. I told you for wet and dry gases, we have to consider different collection systems because we are afraid of hydrate formation. Okay? But what about the knuckle drum? Why do we consider their mixing at knuckle drum? That's the point. The possibility of hydrate formation at knuckle drum is not as much as collection system. Why? Because pressure here is much lower than the collection system. At the first seconds of depressurizing a high pressure vessel, the pressure of the collection system is increased too, okay? So that's when I can consider a hydrate can be formed. And that's why I consider glycol and methanol to be injected to the collection system. Got it? Is it clear? So I will consider different collection system for wet gases and dry gases, which can have low temperatures, and mixing of them can produce hydrate. But after they reach to the knuckle drum, because the pressure here is too low, I can consider that the possibility of hydrate formation is not as high as collection system. That's why I will consider just one knuckle drum for those dry and wet collection systems. Okay? So now you can consider for LP flare and NP flare, I will have the same idea. I should consider different collection systems for wet gas and dry gas, and then I can place just one knuckle drum for mixing and collecting the flare gas.
Because the knuckle drum, its pressure is lower than.
Yes, exactly. If you remember, I told you that we have 5 conditions for hydrate formation. If the pressure is high, the temperature is low, dew point of water, dew point of hydrocarbon, and existence of a crystallization agent.
Yes.
Same as H2S. Guys, consider I have 2 HP vessels with same pressure and temperature of sour gas and sweet gas. Okay? I should consider the possibility of formation of hydrate at the collection system of a sour gas is more than the sweet gas. Okay? It's very important. So, after sweetening unit, I have removed the crystallization molecule. Okay? So, I can consider the possibility of hydrate would be decreased a lot. And I can take it more relaxed. Okay?